Hi viewers, welcome to World of CNC. This is slide number 37. In this we will see all the cycles covering turning, grooving, threading and drilling operations with the Siemens controller, and this is the profile for that. In this we have a contour turn and two groovings. Here one threading operation. If we want, we can add drilling also. So we are covering all the cycles in the same profile. First of all, we need to set all these parameters one by one. First we have to set the raw material parameters like maximum diameter, maximum length, maximum machining length, what is the facing allowance, these parameters to be set first, and then we are calling the label. That means the contour call we are calling. We will get a label AA and BB. So in between this AA and BB, this profile values, contour values will come, and then simply we are calling the stock removal page, and we have to set all these parameters for a turning cycle, and then we have two groovings in the profile, one in major diameter, another one in minor diameter. For that we have to set all the parameters. So this is for major diameter groove and this is for minor diameter groove, and we go for the threading operation. Here we have a threading M12 into 1.5. For that we need to set all the parameters. So this is the page for threading operation. After setting all the parameters, we go for the last operation called drilling. These are all the parameters for drilling. Say according to this, no, we don't have that profile. Directly we can select the tool path for drilling operation. For that we are going to set all the parameters. So these are all the parameters for drilling. Now we will see in the machine panel. This is the machine panel. Go to Program Manager and go to Workpieces. Under Workpieces, go to Siemens. So already we have saved some programs. Go to the program directly. So this is the program for this profile. First we have to set the raw material parameters. Already we discussed. So this page, how we are getting this? Go to various, we have blank option. Here we will get that option. After entering these parameters, we will get the first line, and then doing the facing operation up to x minus 1, and then once again keeping the tool at x32, the maximum positioning value, and then simply calling the label values AA and BB. Say how we are getting this line. Go to contour turn, go to contour, we will get a contour call option. Here we will get that AA and BB label option. After setting this, we go with the stock removal parameters. Say this line, this is for stock removal parameters. How we are getting this line? Once again go with the contour, go back, we will get a stock removal option. You just click here, we will get all the parameters, the page itself. So after entering all the parameters for this profile, we will get the line. After that, move the tool to reference point. Once again calling the tool for grooving operation. So we have two groovings. So one in major diameter. This is the line for first groove. This is a line for second groove. These parameters to be set for the two groovings. How we are getting these two lines? Say go to contour turn. Here grooving operation will be there. Here we will get that option. After entering these parameters for two groovings, we will get these two lines. Before that we have to position the tool for the particular area and then call that page. After entering these parameters, once again go back to reference point, calling one more tool for threading operation. So this is the line for threading. How we are getting this line? So here go to turning. Here we will get a threading option. Here we need to enter all the parameters for threading. After getting this line, once again move the tool to reference point. One more tool to be called. This is the last operation called drilling, and we have to enter all these parameters for drilling also. How we are getting this means, say go to contour turn or turning operation. Here separately we have the drilling option. Go to drilling. Here we have to select a deep hole drilling. So this is nothing but a peg drilling operation. Here we will get that page. So after entering all these parameters, simply click OK. We will get this line, and then complete the program up to M30. After that we go for the profile values. So that is a label already we have called. So in between that AA and BB, so we have to enter the parameters for profile. So this is a line. Say after M30 only we have to enter all these parameters for labeling. Here that AA and BB will come. In between the profile values are there. So this is the program for this entire profile. First turning cycle, grooving cycle, threading cycle, and then drilling cycle. So covering all the cycles we are going to do now. So these are all the parameters. So this is the first page. Up to this is the turning cycle. After that we have two groovings, and this is for threading and this is for drilling. So after M30 simply we are writing the label values. So this is the entire program. We just go through this. After entering the parameters, simply go with the simulation area. Just click here. Now the program is verified. If it is OK, the turning process will start. Now turning process is going on. After turning process is over, we'll go for the grooving operation. We have two groovings. Now once the grooving operation is completed, we go for the threading cycle. Threading also completed. Finally we go for the drilling option. If you want to see the drilling operation, go to 3D view. Here we can see that hole. Now we have covered all the cycles. If you want, we can move the profile up and down, left or right, by using arrow keys. So this is the entire program for this profile, and this is a simulation. We just go through this. Just take one or two profiles with different dimensions. Just to practice, we will be familiar with the Siemens controller. If you want, we can see further views also. Go to two windows, so we can see at a time two pages. This is side view and face view. So this is the procedure for doing all the cycles by using Siemens lathe. The next slide we will see with some other profiles, with different profiles. Kindly go through this. Kindly support this channel. Thank you. Hi viewers, welcome to World of CNC. This is slide number 37.